Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to eliminate or filter your TikTok content on your homepage. So the first thing you have to do is open your TikTok application, and here I already open mine. And after that, you need to make sure that you're in the home sections, and whenever you are in the home section, you can like scrolling down and enjoying your TikTok until there will be a video that disturb you or make you boring or you are not interested on it. So after you found it, you just need to go click share. So for example, I have no interest for this video, so let's go click this share buttons, and after that you just need to like right away jump click not interested. TikTok system will help you to showing a viewer related content as before. So that's the way how to eliminate or filter your TikTok content on your page. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, and don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.